It's October 30th. Let's go ahead. About 10:58 a.m. October 30th. I want to see it. Get a bit. October 30th. That's coming out. Right there. I can't see. Hold it. Hold it, please. Just hold it. Don't wipe it. Just hold it. Right there. And you can see the car is in a cold position. Okay, wipe it down. Wipe it down. Okay, let me see it again. In the shade. In the shade, Ellie, right here. You can see right here would be the max fill line right here. That line is crisscross right there. Okay, put it in. Car is cold, hasn't been driven since Walmart yesterday and the 29th when the oil change happened. Now you can see it is right here, almost double where the max fill line is, and this is cold. It should never be that. It should be right about there on cold, but this is like double. Take a picture. Hold on. Okay. Hold on.